Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you guys 3 commands, which is mute, temporary mute, and also unmute command. So let's get started. First, I'm just gonna create a folder. You can just combine it with any folder you want. I'm just gonna create one for organization purposes. This is too loud. Okay. So first command we're gonna make is mute command. Okay. So we'll need Discord for this. Require Discord.js. And then const ms will require ms. And then that should be it for packages. Now name will be mute. We'll listen client message arts. So if message.member.has permission, let me just put manage messages. And then return message channel.send. You do not have permissions to use this command. Then next we are going to define member. So let member, let me just use const member equals message mentions the members. Let me just add some parameters. Message dot mentions dot members dot first. Okay, so we can either mention the one, the person, or we can just get the ID, which is message dot field dot members dot get R0, which is the first ID. Next, we're gonna say if there's no member, return message.channel.send member is not found. Then after that, we'll define a role, which is the muted role. We're just gonna define it by name. So const role equal message.field.roles.couch.find role.name is equal to muted. Let me just make these two lowercase dot to lower. So we can just use it from caps, or so it wouldn't affect anything, so just put it like that. So the role is muted. Then if there is no role, okay, there's two ways of doing this. One way is just asking the member to create a role called muted, but you can just create a role. So let's just do, if there's no role, we're just gonna, oh no, my keyboard is so broken. Let me just use try catch, and then in here I'm gonna do I'm just gonna send message to channel.send muted role is not found, attempting to create muted role. So if there's no role, it's gonna create. And then I'm gonna define the mute role, and let mute role equals to await message dot field dot roles dot create, then data, and then name will be muted, and then permissions. We don't need any permissions actually, because we're gonna create an override on every single channel. So after data, after this create, you're just gonna create an override. So message.build.channels catch dot, let's just filter all the type of channel, text channels only, so we wouldn't add overrides to voice channel. So c.type is equals to text, and then for each channel, let me just do async channel and then ID. And then we create override, so await channel dot create override mute row will be here. We need the curly brackets, and then we can now define the permissions, which is sandwiches false, and add reactions to be false. You can add anything you want, but default it is most mute rows is just disabling send messages and add reactions. Then so after it's created, we're just gonna say message.channel.send muted row has successfully be created. Then so after this, if there's error, you're just gonna console log error. So here we're gonna define a new row, because maybe after this we can't find a row, so we're gonna define a new row, which is let row2 equals message.build rows.catch.find, and then r.name muted. Once again, you can just make this to lowercase. Okay, muted. So we define a new row, and then so we checking if the member already has the row. So if member the rows the catch the has row2.id, and then we're gonna return message.channel.send member.display name has already been muted. Let me just turn on battery real quick. Okay, has already been muted. Then if it is not muted, so we just gonna await member rows.add, and then we're gonna add the row2, and then message.channel.send member the display name is now muted. Okay, that should be it for the muted command. Let's try it out. No. Okay. Okay, it's taking some time. Connected to MongoDB. Just ignore this. Okay, so let's try the mute command. member is not found, so I'm just gonna mute my alt account. Y mute recon test. Is there any mute row? I'm just gonna remove all the mute row here. That's a lot of rows. Okay, there isn't any mute row. Okay, so let's just mute this. Mute row is not found. Okay, mute row has been created. So it should has already created the row. Oh, I misspelled it. Okay, let me just do this. Let me just delete this row again and let's try again. I misspelled it. Okay, so we're gonna do y mute at recon test is the bottom. Okay, recon test is now muted, so when I open my alt, I shouldn't be able to talk. Okay, so when I remove the row, muted row, I should. So what I did, I just created a muted row, and then data is disable send messages, and then here we should see new muted row, disabled send messages and add reactions. So this is the command. Next we're gonna do temporary mute, so tempmute.this, and then we just copy this. Okay, let me just close this and enlarge this. Okay, so we just change this to tempmute, and then we're going to set timeout. So if there is time, so we're just gonna come right here. Time equals to args1, and then in here I'm just gonna, if there's no time, return message channel dot send. Please specify the time. Okay, so in Tempmute we're just gonna create, first we're gonna mute them, and then we're gonna set a timeout to remove the row. So set timeout, in this we can just put set timeout, and then we can do ms time. Okay, set timeout. So first we're gonna await member for these caps, member rows dot remove, and then here we're gonna do roll 2. Okay, then message dot channel dot send member dot display name is now unmuted. Okay, so let's try this. Right, Tempmute. Wait, it's only wait. Okay, just add async here to make it synchronous. Forgot about that. Okay, connected to MongoDB, and then if I do y tempmute, you should say member not found, and then when I do tempmute and recon test, oh, I need to check if it's a number. So if type of time, wait, I need to, what I can do here is I can is none, so if time, let me just do console log is none time, sorry, Tempmute. Let me just copy this. If log true, and then if I do 10 false. Okay, so if is none time, so we're just gonna come here. If is none time, return message that channel was send time must be a number. Then over in here, let's just try this out. Okay, let me just Tempmute for 5 seconds. Time must be in. Oh, I can't do this because I need to put. Okay, I understand now. I'll just remove this and then it should work. Just do this. Time 5 seconds. Record is muted and then you can't talk. For I think it's 5 seconds. Okay, so after 5 seconds it unmutes. So let's just try this again for 10 seconds to see it clearly. Okay, and then muted 1, 2, okay, until 10 seconds and then it should unmute. So yeah, now we're gonna do unmute command. It's very simple. Just create a new file, unmute.js, and then we can do message export.js module.exports name message args, and then in here we can just do const member equals message from mentions param dot members first message here dot members attach dot get 0, and then if there's no member, please member.com, then await member rows are removed. Okay, let's just define a row real quick. Once row equals message.rows.catch.find row name dot lowercase equals to muted row, and then message dot channel dot send member. Let me just do this. Member dot this name is now unmuted. Save this real quick. Okay, so let's just use the mute command on my out account, recon test. So it's permanently muting him. So as you can see here, I can't talk. So when I come back here and I do y on mute, recon test. So recorders are now unmuted and I can talk. So that's about it for today's video. If you have any errors or any suggestions, feel free to join our Discord server. This is my Discord server, and we do daily voting sessions. As you can see here, mute command won, so I'm making a mute command video today. If you wish to join the polls, feel free to join the Discord server. Links will be in the description. Other than that, have a nice day. See you again on the next video. Bye.